Hi everyone, today let's learn how to set up Stripe with Nextjs. Now I'm on my Stripe dashboard and I need to create a Stripe sandbox to test everything locally. So just click on the profile icon over on the top left and then switch to sandbox and then plus create sandbox. And for starting configuration, you have two options: copy your account or create a new account. So this one will create from scratch. So I'm going to choose the second one. So create sandbox. Now we have two keys, publishable key and the secret key, and they need to be stored inside the Nextjs project. I already have a Nextjs project. If you want to get the starter code, you can go to this repository and just visit the starter branch. And I've also written a blog about how to set up Stripe with Nextjs on dev.to. You can also find the link on the description. All the commands are going to be here. So I'm just going to copy this code. And then inside my Nextjs project, I will go to .env.local file, create one if you don't have. And I will paste this. And then from the Stripe dashboard, I'm going to copy this publishable key. And I will also add the secret key. The secret key is the private one and the publishable key is public. Once you have done that, you need to install some packages. So let's install them. So you actually need 3 packages: Stripe, React Stripe, and just Stripe.js. So I'm going to copy this. So the Stripe is basically the core package and React Stripe.js is basically the components for React for Stripe web elements, and Stripe.js is basically client-side library. Once you have done that, you need to create Stripe instances. You can create 2 instances, one for server-side and one for client-side. So let's do both. You can create a file called stripe.js inside the lib folder. You don't have to, but that's a common convention. And I have a variable Stripe exported. So I'm just going to copy this piece of code and delete the first one. So import server only will make sure that this piece of code will only be executed on server side, though it is totally optional. So this will actually create a new Stripe instance using the secret key, and then we are just exporting it, and we can use this on server side. And for client side, you can create another file. I will call it just Stripe client.js, and then I will also copy this code and paste it here. So we're just using this load Stripe function to create a new instance using this publishable key from Stripe. And this load Stripe function will return you a promise, and you need to use this on the client side. So that's pretty much it on how to set up Stripe with Nextjs. If the video has been helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we will learn about different strategies we have for Stripe checkouts. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.